Turn right heading at 078, going left to course.
Cat 12 right, 078.
8 miles, touchdown.
Alright, reminder, glide slope is 3 degrees, and decision altitude is 223.
Roger, 223.
Turn left heading 066.
Cat 12, 066.
On course, wheels should be down.
Cat 12, gear down.
Runway 7 left, wind 2605, clear to land.
Say clear to land us.
Yeah.
Cat 12, clear to land, 7 left.
Roger, glide path, do not acknowledge road transmissions.
Zero 66.
From well below glide path, begin descent.
Alright. Descend to decision
Below
altitude.
glide path coming up.
Okay, coming up.
Slightly below glide path coming up on glide path. On glide path. On glide path. On glide path. Going above, slightly above glide path. Going glide course, turn left heading at 063. Slightly above glide path coming down on glide path. On glide path. 4 miles from touchdown, right of course and correcting. On glide path. Turn right heading at 064. Correction 065. Going above, slightly above glide path. Going further above. Stay above glide path. Stay above glide path, holding. Going further left to course, turn right heading at 068. Stay above glide path coming down, 3 miles from touchdown. Left course and correcting slowly. Stay above glide path. Stay above glide path coming down. Stay above glide path. Stay above glide path. Slightly above glide path coming down. Slightly above glide path. Coming down on glide path. On glide path. 2 miles from touchdown. Left course correcting slowly. On glide path. On glide path. On glide path. On glide path. Turn left heading at 066. On glide path. On glide path on course. On glide path. On glide path. On glide path on course. On glide path. On glide path. 1 mile from touchdown on course.
You can tell them field
Going below, slightly below glide path.
Come what?
Field in sight, proceeding visually.
Slightly below glide path, going further below on course.
Cat 12, field on sight, proceeding visually.
Proceeding visually 1/2 mile, runway 7 left.
Got fuel low light.
You have a good night, sir.
You as well. Thanks for the good calls. Cat 12, clear to land, 7 left.
Thank you, sir.
Flaps landing, clear to land, 7 left. Winds are dead. If anything, a little bit of left.
Copy.
Safe on deck. And rolling out.
6 forward, 70 knots.
Roger, so I'm going to switch over to tower, and I'll make that call, okay?
Okay.
Sherman Tower, Cat 12, GCA rollout, 7 left.
Cat 12, Sherman Tower, right off on Alpha 3, cross 7 right and then contact ground.
Right off Alpha 3, cross 7 right and contact ground, Cat 12. Good night, sir.